Try it again. Hi, everybody. It's me, Jordan Long here. And today I want to talk about being told, oh, you broke Amazon law when I didn't. Now, let's talk about Amazon law, for example, the law that governs the Amazons in their respected nation states. Now, we all know, or at least the story, okay? So how can you break a law that if people don't recognize it, it doesn't exist? The only reason why that we have laws and rules and the reason that they operate is because people believe in them. You know, people recognize law, they recognize rules, and the only reason why they exist because people recognize them and follow them and interpret them and reinforce them. Now, regardless of all that, then there are laws that are not even that you don't recognize. You broke Amazon law. No, I didn't break Amazon law because I don't recognize Amazon law. Amazon law does not exist. Yes, it does, Jordan. Yes, it does. Now, a lot of people are going to say, so laws and rules only exist because people believe in them. That's right. A law or rule is only real when people practice it. You know, basically, a law is only real if a person recognizes it and follows it, regardless of what law it is. Okay? It is not a law if people do not recognize it and do not follow it. And same thing with rules too. The only difference is, so people might say, and the reason that laws exist or laws are practiced or followed is because people believe in them. People truly believe that that law is there for a reason and that the law says you can or cannot do that basing on something. And the reason that laws and rules only exist is because people believe in them and follow them and practice them, and others reinforce them and others interpret them. So if a law is not recognized, followed, or supported, then it is not real, or at least not to the people. If they do not recognize it and follow it, then to them it is not real. You broke Amazon law. You're gonna wish you never did that. Well, first off, I'm not an Amazon, Jordan says. And number two, how can I break a law that doesn't exist to me? You know you did. Yeah, when did I do that? You know you broke Amazon law. Okay, how did I break Amazon law? By being promiscuous. I like sex. I like being promiscuous, but that's not a crime. There is no law that says you cannot be promiscuous. There are only laws that say you cannot do prostitution. You know, there are laws that say you cannot do rape. Okay. But there's not a law that actually says you're not allowed to be promiscuous. Well, in Amazonia there is. Now people are going to say, Jordan, what is your point about this video? Point is, I was told that I broke a law that does not exist because people do not believe in it, do not follow it, and do not practice it. A law is only has power if the people pass the government making the laws and passing the laws, and the people following the laws and practicing the laws, and the people interpreting the laws and reinforcing the laws actually believe in them. You know? So that's about it for me. And since Amazon law does not exist, and is not practiced, not interpreted, or not followed, or reinforced, then it is not a real law. I'm Jordan Long, and I'll see you later.